Hello viewers, this Too Fast here. In today's video I'll be installing a K&N air filter in my Nissan Rogue. Now this filter is a lifetime filter, so you don't ever need to buy another one, and it's also washable. So every couple of years you simply take it out, wash it, reapply the special oil on the filter element, and then reinstall it. It's very low maintenance and it's a great filter to have in your car. In this video I'll show you how to install the filter in this Nissan Rogue, and I'll also go over some of the maintenance on this filter. Let's get started. Right here is the K&N engine air filter for this Nissan Rogue. The part number is 33-3174. Now this air filter is made in USA. Looking on the box, it does tell you it's washable and you can drive up to 75,000 miles between cleaning. Now I don't recommend you waiting that long to clean it, but depending on where you live and where you drive, you might need to clean it more frequently. For me, I typically clean mine every 2 years and it seemed to work out fine. This is a lifetime air filter, so you do not ever need to replace it. So let's open this up and I'll show you what the air filter looks like. All K&N air filters come with a sticker you can place on your air box if you want. And right here is the air filter, very small for this car. So this air filter uses a cloth element that you see right here, and the red color is from an oil that's been applied to the filter. And this oil actually helps capture the dust particles when you're running the engine. Now online, I know there are people that say these type of air filter is not good for the mass airflow sensor. Some people say the oil will actually coat the mass airflow sensor, causing problem with the engine. I can tell you I've been running K&N air filter in all my vehicles for the last 30 plus years, and I've never had any problems. The key to avoiding any problem with these type of filters is to not over oil it. From the factory, it has the right amount of oil, and when it comes time to you cleaning it and re-oiling it, you just need to apply a small bead of oil to each pleats. And when you touch it, your hand shouldn't be all oily. Now when it comes time to cleaning the air filter, you can pick up a K&N Recharge Kit like this one here. And with this kit, it comes with a detergent to clean the filter and a bottle of oil for you to treat the air filter after it dries. As I mentioned earlier, I clean mine every 2 years, so I actually don't use this a lot. Again, when you're oiling this filter element, do not over oil it. All you have to do is run a small bead on each pleat and let the oil soak in on its own. Looking at the engine compartment, right here is the engine air filter box. There are 2 clips here you want to unclip. Now you can lift this top cover off and remove the air filter. This one you see here is the one from Nissan, and you can see it's a little dirty after 18,000 miles. Here's a side-by-side look of the K&N air filter on the left and the factory filter on the right. Here's a new K&N air filter. Slide this into the air box. Now on the back of the airbox cover there is a plastic tab you see right here. You want to tuck this underneath this plastic tab here. Now you can put the rest of the cover on, reinstall the clips, and the air filter is installed. As you can see, replacing the air filter on this Nissan Rogue is very simple. If you're interested in getting this filter for your car, check out the link below. Hope you enjoy watching this video, and thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. To support this channel, remember to click on thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified of new videos.